In addition to screencasting to the Rokid Station, you can also Chromecast like you would with any other app on your phone. So in YouTube, just simply click on the icon for casting and then select the device you want to cast to. So now anything that I play from here in YouTube will be played on the device itself. This casting works fine as long as you're on the same network and you're at home. What do you do if you're not at home and you don't have a network to cast to? There's ways I think people have tried to connect using the setting a hotspot and things like that, which are just not very quick and lead to a lot of lag. One solution I found, and I actually bought this for something else, but this works great for it. This is the NewQ FileHub. It does a number of things, but one of the things that it does, it will actually create a virtual or a network that multiple devices can connect to for the purpose of file sharing. But the other thing it does is it creates a network devices to connect to for the Chromecast as well. So you set your network up on here and you connect your phone to this network, and then you connect the Rokid to this network, and you'll end up having the ability to do a screencast from your phone to your Rokid, and it works very well, very little lag, because this can stay close to the devices. It's very quick. It really works well, and I'll give you a use case for that in a minute on the next video, because there's a little bit more to it. But just an alternative if you want to do a screencast from your phone to the Rokid, and you're not anywhere you can use your home network. Thank you. Like and subscribe. What was that for?
The dog.